Okay guys, welcome back to the gaming channel. Welcome back to another episode of Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. So as you guys can hear, it's pretty crazy right now. Here we are. We are battling Tyrannosaurus, Rorororus, you know what I mean? So I don't know how this is gonna work, but we're gonna fight. You know what I mean? So here we go. Tyrannosaurus. I don't know how to defeat this thing. I think I will defeat it with the Enforcer. I think Enforcer will take more damage. Yes, it will. I don't care about the up thing and jigging. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh! I have nothing. Okay. Okay, so here. I say, another one. I say, another one. Here we go. Slow down, bro. Slow down, bro. I don't have any thingamajiggies. Megatron. Oh, my days. Megatron. There we go. He's dead. So we're gonna focus on these mains now. Here we go. I have enough ammo, bro. I have enough ammo. More than enough.
No more hostiles within range.
Say less. We got it. That's a good start. That's a very nice start.
Thanks for looking out. I'll find a way over.
Okay. Wait. Okay, let's go here. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm going, bro. Oh, this is just another flipping
Don't tell me you might love thingy
bullets.
and interact with that rift thingy.
Your rift tether.
Oh,
yes.
there's another
Try
rift.
aiming at the rift.
Let's go. We can do this, boy. Another one.
Whoa! That was fun!
Is there any explosives? Let me bomb. Perfect timing. That's a real thing. Let's go. Wait. I need bullets first. Before I fight, I need bullets. Here we go. The swing. Whoop. Let's go. Go. Get out of my way, boy. I can't wait to fight that thing, because that thing looks big. Massive, boy. That's what she's doing. Let's go. Oh, no. Run on. Here we go. Another one. Here we go. Lovely. Who's next? Let's swing. Let's go. Oh, they're up top. Let's go. Oh my days. I don't have bullets. Flip. Go. Here we go. This is not good for me. Here we go. Bullets. Enforcer. Lovely. And that's how you do it, bro. Let me put this quick. You did that.
I wish you had a jetpack feature, Bolts.
Damn.
Do as well.
They're flying on jetpacks on me, bruh. Enforcer. Lovely. Oh, there's a lot of explosions happening, Wacho. Ooh, that was perfect timing as well. Let's go. Where's the more? Give me all my bolts. I need bullets, bruh. I literally need bullets. Lovely, let's go.
Now to lower the bridge.
Ooh, that was fire. But before we do that, give me some bullets. Okay, I don't look like there's any bullets, so it's fine. We'll just continue. Go.
Come on, Bridge. Seriously?
Okay, so we're gonna have to jump now or swing again, Spider-Man style.
There has
So
to be
let's
another
go.
way across.
Yo, can't we swing? Because I'm guessing we can swing. There's boxes, no boxes. Because I'm guessing we can swing.
You will not succeed in jumping across.
Just scoping it out.
Okay, another puzzle. No. I don't know what I need, bruh. Oh, swear. So Broski just said we need speedles. Here we go. Boosting time. Boosting time.
Oh!
Lovely.
Home. And
Lovely.
there's another grunter in the way.
I do
Why?
regret this.
Why?
We
Why?
both know how this is gonna end, big guy.
Why? Why are there more stuff coming for me, bruh? I don't know where it is. Only another one, Enforcer. Oh, okay. Wait. Ooh. Oh, let me throw my leaf thingy down. Let me do the Megatron. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Another one. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. Breaking news. I don't have bullets. Lovely. This is how it's going to end now. Jeez. Run. I forgot that I Phantom Dash. I forgot. I really forgot. I really forgot that Phantom Dash, bruh. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Got it. Set the bomb. Set the bomb. Another one. Another one. Vamos. Let's go. These stuff I can just hit. These stuff I can just hit. Don't need to waste my bullets on them. Here we go. Lovely.
And now for my final enemy.
Lovely.
Mortz's pressure locks.
Ooh. Okay, so let's change back to this. Is there more boxes? Okay, there is. Can I go over here? Nope, can't go over there yet. So we should press this stuff. There's one. There's two. Boxes.
It appears that these locks must
Three.
be hit quickly.
Yep.
Okay.
Morts are funny like that.
I was low-key thinking this should be hit quickly because I was still looting, you know what I mean? So we need to hit it quickly. When we go from the back, hit it from the back, and then we can go to the front. You know what I mean? So here we go. Is there another one? No. Here we go. One. Phantom Dash.
It appears that these locks must be hit quickly.
Yep. Morts are funny like that.
Okay, so I'll just hit one, then I Phantom Dash, hit one. Because I think that's the play. So let's go. 1, 2, 3.
It appears that these locks must be hit quickly.
Okay, can you stop?
Morts are funny like that.
I like that. So we stop it. Okay, wait, it's Phantom Dash.
It appears that these locks must be hit
Okay.
quickly.
Okay, wait.
It appears that these locks must be hit quickly.
Should I take the
Morts are
Speedo?
funny like that.
Should I take the Speedo?
Time to find out the truth about you.
Bro, this game has so
If
many
only I
puzzles,
could
bruh.
talk with Ratchet.
swear this game has so many puzzles.
Home sweet home.
Why are you so
Hideout
hesitant to trust me?
entrance.
Look, robots aren't really my thing, especially when they're tearing my galaxy apart.
I am not. I was trying to help Ratchet find the other Lombaxes.
We'll
Ooh.
see the truth soon enough. Once I scan you and the infobot I found in Nefarious City.
Okay, so I see I must go here now, but there was also a rift below. So I have a feeling that is one of Broski's puzzles again. Let's just do it, bruh. Let's just do it for content. Oh nah, this is that speedle thing again.
That's a lot of explosives. Better be careful.
Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You can't die now. Let's shoot this. That doesn't give me anything like bolts and stuff. So it's fine, I'll leave it. Whoa, whoa. I don't know if I must touch it because sometimes when you touch bombs they explode. Yep, they do. Damn. Okay, so we should be quick. I don't know where I'm going to, but we should be quick. Also, look at the graphics, bro. I know I said this in part 1 or part 2 or whatever, but look at the graphics, broski. Damn. Let's go. Fast. Fast. Oh my days. I forgot about explosive. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Let's go. I don't know what I just did, but okay.
And done.
Boots. Robot disguise. Equip on. Robot disguise. Okay, so I got this. Is it this? Ooh, that look nice on her. Oh, here's a robot disguise. I got the boots. That isn't much. We do that. Nah, it's fine. Take this off. That's part of a robot, but that's Clank, so it's fine. We just stick by the boots for now. When we get the stuff that we need to get to unlock the mask and the chest, then we can do it, you know what I mean? So the robot boots, that's good so far. Where do I go? Where do we go? Let's go down here. Let's go. Go. Lovely. Easy. That was easy. Now we go back to where we were before we found that. So yep, let's go. Here we go. Let's see where this takes us. Vamos.
Safe for now.
This is extremely unnecessary.
I just got a hiccup. Here we go.
Lombax. Okay. So, you were being honest.
As I have been saying repeatedly,
You're nefarious. He looks a lot like mine. Evil like him, too. And that Lombax. I know it might sound crazy, but
you think he is your dimensional counterpart.
or something. Look, whatever's going on here, we're gonna fix it.
I thought robots are not your thing.
Not all of them, just most. You know, like the Emperor, his stupid followers, pirates. Yeah, I see the irony too.
Oh, I apologize. I did not mean to,
You feel bad? even though I just watched your brain diary thingy?
Sometimes these cutscenes make me forget this is a game. Sweet, bruh, sweet. Boss fight.
Missing infobot located. Initiating retrieval.
Oh dear, no.
Damn, that's crazy, bro. Speeder, let's go. Let's run off the speed boost.
Annoying robot!
Deploying amphibious explosives to neutralize hostile furball.
This is fire, let's go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on. Whoa. 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 Let's go. Out of the way, Roski. Out of the way.
That Seekopede's flight stabilizer should be on its back. If I can get up there and hit it, I can bring the whole thing down.
Do I go straight?
I'm losing it! Hey!
I don't know where.
Annoying robot!
Bro, I swear I didn't know where to go.
Explosives to neutralize
I didn't know where to go, bro.
hostile furball.
Hang in there, folks! I'm coming!
Chase, 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 chase. Vamos. Vamos. Vamos.
That Seekopede's flight stabilizer should be on its back. If I can get up there and hit it, I can bring the whole thing down.
I don't know what that means. I swear I don't know what that means, bruh. But here we are. Let's go. Let's go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, should I go here?
Gotta hit the flight stabilizer.
Second time we did it. Let's go. Second time we did it. Yeah, we still didn't get Clank, bruh. Damn.
You must be so
I was joking when I said I won the boss fight. I don't want the boss fight now, bruh. Damn.
excited for annihilation.
Give me back my robot!
Shadow Bomb. Oh my gosh.
The Emperor's got some weak standards if that's all you got.
Wait. There we go. I don't have Shadow Bombs.
Honestly, I am nothing.
Backup power has almost restored the flight stabilizer.
Whoa.
Undeniable.
What? No, you're not getting away from me.
Get out of my way, bro. Ah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I was supposed to dodge. I pressed. Never mind.
The Emperor.
Am I done?
Time to change tactics.
Let's go.
Deploying amphibious explosives.
Throw whatever you want. You're not getting away from me. I say bolts. I can't get to the flight stabilizer until I jump on that thing's back.
That was tough. Another one. Let's go. Got it. We got it. Let's finish him off, bruh. Let's finish him off. Oh, we can finish him off. Nice.
Your destruction is most definitely assured now.
Bring it.
Go. Damn. Damn. Whoa. Watch. I don't have any more shadow bomb. Give me help. I need help. Let's go. Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Why don't you let me drive that thing?
To hurt you, pathetic rebel.
Oh. Shadow bomb. Shadow bomb, shadow bomb. Let's go, that's up. We got it, we got it, we got it. Not fumbling, bro, I'm not fumbling.
Hope I can witness your demise.
I don't have bullets, how did that even happen? I can't shoot. I can't shoot with the enforcer, bro. Lovely. Not lovely. Not lovely. Whoa! Got him. Yes! Let's go.
This is
Lovely, man. Let's go. Ooh.
You okay, Bolts?
You came after me. Thank you.
Yeah, well, we've still got some unfinished business.
Let's go. We're doing it for Ratchet.
Ooh, we should see if Mort fixed up the ship.
New destinations logged into the ship. Where do I go? Here we go. Wait, I want to see the map quickly, so we should go this way. These are more speedos, stuff. Okay. Okay, this map is big. Can I change the armor? Like, is there... Let's collect stuff, bruh. Didn't collect anything. Okay, let's go and let's see how the next thing
How about I
looks.
hooked you up with the signal booster to fix that communicator of yours?
The next
That
chapter.
would be delightful.
Not as thrilling as what we're gonna find in this infobot, but it'll be close.
Ooh. Now that was tough.
Rivet! Ship's ready and waiting for ya!
Before we go to the ship,
Fixed it! Thank you.
let's see what we can get here.
Absolutely.
Ricochet, let's see what this does. This does.
And then it will pop back up next to them.
Okay, nice. How much? We have 6,200.
Looks like you got enough for that beauty.
We can buy him. Let's buy Mr. Fungi. Let's buy that. We got 26. Okay, so that... What do I use more? I use the Shatter Bomb low key. So... This we can do... This we can do... Max ammo. Area effect. Another area effect. Last one we can do on the fire rate.
That
got
is
20.
a popular one.
What? Okay,
That
there we go.
one is just begging for an upgrade.
Enforcer, let's do that. Okay. Max range, vamos, again, lovely. And this, yeah, let's do this. There we go. And Mr. Fungi, I'm still used, so I won't do anything to it. We did do that. Megatron, let's do that. Next, here we go.
I do hate to see you
Lovely.
go, sugar.
Mr. Fungi, welcome to the club, bro. Let's go. Let's go.
What does it say?
Phantom, Moidoi, Captain Quantum, Klatchki,
Ooh,
me.
ooh.
Attention, Resistance. I'm posting the Emperor's hit list to our network. Come on, Let's fix that communicator. We've got a dimension to save before the Emperor finds us too.
You're telling me I can travel through Earths, bruh. Damn. Okay, so we completed this. Our next Earth is called Zax 2 Debris Field. Revit was fine, a single booster. Okay. Let's travel there, bro. We traveling the galaxy, let's go. Yo, this is a whole space theme, bruh. Damn.
What's on your mind?
Ratchet.
Come on, let's hear it.
I am feeling a bit responsible for all of this. Perhaps it is because of me that the dimensions are falling apart, that Ratchet and I are lost.
Oh, yeah. Well, hey, your communicator's about to get fixed, so that's something.
Right.
Now this looks insane. Let's get it, bruh. This looks lovely. Okay, boxes. Any boxes? Nope. Oh, here we go. I don't know what the green stuff are. I just know the slime. There's a red. Oh,
So,
Clank is on my back.
this is Zerky's Gastropub and Battleplex. If there's anywhere in the universe we'll find a part to fix you up, it's here.
I hope you are right. The destruction of the Dimensionator seems to have caused a sort of dimensional cataclysm. If I cannot find Ratchet,
Don't worry, Bolts. I'll get you fixed up. Promise.
What is this? Oh, she's the other lady I saw in the beginning. Oh, so we must go there before we do that. Boxes, obviously. Let's keep searching. Let's go here. Yo. Bro, are you okay? Bro, look devastated. More boxes. I also low-key saw another dimension that we must go to. But I'm just scared to go through these dimensions, bruh, because yo, they give a person so a lot of work to do. Oh, that's crazy, bro. Here we go. Here we go, our next dimension. Vamos. Okay, what do I do here? Whoa! Whoa! Okay. Okay, that's lovely. You see, that's why I don't want to go through the dimensions, bruh. Damn. Okay, wait. Here we go. Wait. Here we go, perfect timing. Vamos. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. There we go. Here we go. You got it the second time, bro. Let's go.
Yes!
Do I get more robot clothes, robot disguise? Let's see.
Sure that was everything, so I should probably get back to the mission.
Wait, before we get back to the mission, what did I just get, bruh? A G-Force thingamajiggy. That looks fire. That looks good, but I'm not gonna use it. Get all the stuff. Here we go. If I want to be smart, I can collect these boxes, but I'm gonna be dumb also at the same time. Let's go. Yeet. Oh, that was all. Okay, let's go. Go to our main thing.
Mort's limeade recipe's slowly coming along.
That's a lot of boxes, bruh. Damn. Yo, As the brew from Monsters Inc. I don't know his name, but as that brew, look. One eye open when I'm sleeping. Let's go. Zircon, what do you have for me now? What does she have for me now?
Here, rain? No, it's the lightning rod. Finish them to send the lightning toward their troublesome teammates.
Okay, that's lovely. Do I have enough for it?
I will let you know when I get these in.
8,000. Okay.
I do hate to see you go, sugar.
Wait, can I upgrade quickly?
This Zircon, make
Nope.
you a deal.
I don't have enough stuff, bro. Let's continue the mission. I don't have enough stuff. Wait, before we go there, there's some boxes. There's the fun guy. Am I loaded up? Not everywhere. So, let's go, bro. Woo! Out of my way. Phantom Dash, I suppose. Yep,
Welcome
Phantom
to
Dash.
your newly interdimensional gastropub and battleplex. I will take your coat and also all your weapons.
Why?
Think I'd be
Why?
used to that by now.
Thanks for coming to Zerky's, where we slaughter with a smile.
We slaughter with a smile. It's crazy. Look for Zerky.
Zerky's usually behind the bar. He'll know where to find the pirate with the spare parts.
This is lit, bro. Damn, okay. Let's go.
No. Oh.
Namaste, and peace be with you, Rivet.
Hey, Zerky, have you seen our favorite first mate anywhere? I need a signal booster.
Well. We meet again, my wee chérie.
Who?
Give me
Who's
the
this?
Did you follow me here? Another fruitless effort to win my affection?
part. Give me the part, Pierre.
Time and again, I tell you, my heart is taken. And yet...
Rusty Pete?
Rusty? Mon Dieu. Your friend has a saucy tongue. My name is Pierre Lafayette. Pirate extraordinaire.
I'll fight you for it.
Xerxes is a violence-free zone. Take it outside.
I am more lover than fighter. For you, I will always make an exception.
Ready to kick some robo butt?
I have many issues with that question. But why not? Where do we
That's
sign
funny.
up to battle?
There's a console
Let's
on
go.
that big wall of windows over there. It's cool.
Ooh.
I'll show you.
Ooh. Okay, bronze, prove your thingamajiggy. Solid. Let me go here. Obviously can't. Let's go, bronze. Defeat Pierce
We'll have
crew.
to sign up to take out those pirates. Don't worry, I'll win you that part.
Oh, so we're gonna go to extra miles just to get the port for Clank. Damn, bro.
Welcome, my
Damn, let's go. Let's go.
Juniors, Slaughterplex. Are you ready to witness the excitement, the pain,
Let's go.
tonight? Dean,
Can I use my weapons? Lovely.
Rivet will fight the
Whoa. Oh. I would not die.
Why must every dimension have a dangerous...
Oh, I must hit him. I mustn't shoot him. That's lovely.
You must prove you're worthy.
Wave number 2, where are you?
Pirates are coming through rifts.
Gotta admire
go.
them for always finding new ways to cheat.
Oh, lovely.
Penny Susie! Traffic from space-time! Pilot signature!
They must know I phantom dash, bro. I don't care. Damn. Wait. Out of me way. Out of me way. Out of me way, bro. Let's go. We got it. Okay. Lovely. You got it. Bring more, bro. I'm ready. I just do the slam attack. Because that seems to work. That seems to work. Yes, dude. Out of here, bro. Out of here, bro. Go. We almost got it. We almost got it. We almost got it. Out of my way, bro. How many waves are there? Damn, I'm by my 6th wave now. 5th wave. Number 5. Let's go. Let me use my gun for this.
Prepare yourself, miscreant!
Okay. Fungi. Here we go. So I need bullets low key. Do that. Do that. Fungi, help me out. Help me out. Help me out. This way. Damn, bad space. Lovely. Lovely. Fungi is helping me out, bruh. Let me freeze him. Let me freeze him. Let's go! Victory! Ooh, that was tough. And that was only bronze. That was tough, bruh. That's a robot pirate shoes. Ooh, lovely.
No fear. My less attractive stunt double will battle in my stead. What?
Every time a boss fight out, how many boss fights were in this flipping episode, bro? The flip is this? Whoa! Whoa! Phantom dash. What you talking about, bro? Okay, okay. I have to do that. Look. That's because it is. I need to phantom dash, bruh. No. I need help. I forgot. I need help. Let's go. We got some help. Okay, so these stuff are also back. Lovely. That's just lovely. Whoa, can you get out of my way, bro? Get out of my way, bro. Okay, now I need Mr. Fungi. Now I need a lot of Mr. Fungis. Whoa, okay. Let me take a breather. Because that was epic. Ooh, I'm back. Let's go. Oh, bruh. Enforcer. When I tell you I'm pressing every button, bro, I'm pressing every button. This is not fun. Set the bomb. Let's go. Set the bomb. Set the bomb. Almost got him. Almost got it. Got him. This. Go. Vamos. 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 Ooh. That was tough. Let's go.
But ow! Eventually and dramatically, I will get my revenge. But here, take your back.
Victory. Let's go. Let's go.
Ooh.
That's a yo moment. That's a yo moment.
She's done it.
Ratchet, can you hear me? Ratchet, can you hear me?
Clank, are you okay? Where are you? I saw that Lombax take you in.
I am fine. In fact, I am with the Lombax now.
Hey, I'm Rivet.
What?
Hi. Wow, this is...
Oh, wait, okay. I have to tell you something. Dr. Nefarious just crowned himself Emperor of this dimension.
He did what? No. I've got my hands full with my own Nefarious.
That's the thing.
We've got to get him and us out of here, but...
Without the Dimensionator...
I think we have to build a new one. I met a prophet from Savali named Gary. He would know what to do.
I'm only a few sectors away from there. I can go check it out.
What can we do?
Do you
go.
have the planet Blizar Prime in this dimension?
Yeah? Why?
We can locate the phase quartz used to power the Dimensionator there. If I am right, we will be able to recreate the device in no time.
I guess we better get started then. I'm glad you're okay, buddy.
You too, Ratchet.
Be
Be careful out there.
Wow. Another Lombax.
Let's build this thing.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna end it there. This episode was crazy. There was a lot of boss fights. There was a lot of things. I was pressing buttons. I didn't know what to press. Broski, this was a fun episode. This was a fun episode, bro. I think this is episode number 3. I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna continue the game on the next episode. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you did, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe.